Oh.
Wow, there it is.
You got it. Next try, next try.
Let's go, SF. All right, guys, we are out here today with
Robbie.
and
Joe.
And Joe wants to learn a
Heel flip?
Okay, so here's the very first question. Have you ever landed a heel flip before?
Nope, not at all.
Not ever once, not ever.
Nope.
So this would be your first heel flip ever.
Yeah.
You gotta move your hair, man. We cannot see you. Oh, there he is. Just kidding. Okay, so let's see. Well, first, should we have him do all the basics?
Yeah, why not? Let's see an ollie.
We want to see the ollie, frontside 180 if you got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, press 180?
Yeah, frontside 180.
That's pretty solid ollie, right, Robbie?
Yeah. Oh.
First try?
That was good, but I want to give you some advice on the frontside 180
Yeah.
real quick, just because we don't want to skip steps.
Yeah.
So on the frontside 180, everything was good, but I want you to take, if this is the edge of your board,
Yeah.
I want you to take your front foot and hang your toes off just, not that far, just a little bit.
Just like that?
Yeah.
All right.
Wow. Not a front three, bro, please.
Not a front
Not
three.
a front
but-
three?
My wife's on this app.
So now something that, did you notice that it was almost easier to turn the board that time?
Yeah, definitely.
So your front foot's gonna get caught in the pocket on
Yeah.
the outside of the board right here, right? So go ahead and try that again, but don't put so much effort. There you go.
Good job.
So it looked like you just landed a little bit more solid on that one. Right
Yeah.
here, let's see it.
Dang.
What'd you notice about that?
It was like a lot more in. It was a lot
more
more
controlled,
yeah.
right? Yeah. Backside 180, let's see it.
Oh, I don't have those yet.
It's a very interesting. Okay, go ahead. What do you mean you don't have those? Do a perfect backside 180.
That was pretty good.
I did a survey on beginning skaters. The #1 trick they couldn't do, backside 180.
Really?
Yeah, they were landing kick flips, but backside 180, nope, they didn't have it.
See, I always preferred turning backside because then if I fell, I wouldn't have to see what I'm falling at.
Said nobody. Okay, do a backside 180, you got it. Okay, you definitely got that.
Try to on your back foot.
Yeah.
Try to put your back toes like a little bit more on the edge right here, just so you can kind of get
Like
that
that?
scoop. Yeah, because we got to create that motion left and right.
There you go.
And then front foot, kind of like we did with the backside 180 or frontside 180. We're gonna slide our foot so it's just our heel hanging off the board a little bit.
Just our heel.
Little
instead of
opposite.
your
So it's like the
toe.
opposite.
Yeah,
Yeah.
completely. Yeah, you're turning the opposite way. Your foot placement should be opposite.
Ah.
There you go.
You
Right
really,
here.
you really got the head and shoulders motion. You're really swinging your head and shoulders, which is good. There you
Yeah.
go.
Ah.
Okay, now do it and stay landed 180.
And make sure you're watching that front foot.
There it is.
Yeah,
Very well done.
that was good.
Straight to heel flip, you got it?
Heel flip?
Should we see where he's at? Or do we want to do some shove-its?
Oh, all
Normally
right.
I'd go.
So
top shove.
your body posture is causing you to miss the pop because
I
you're
see.
you're like leaning forward as you're popping the board, so you're countering the action you're trying to create.
Oh.
Right? So try to keep your shoulders a little bit more above your knees, bend down straight, and then just absorb the board with your front foot before you flick. So
I
then the
see.
board's more under you when it rotates. That's right. Try to take your time, be patient before you pop the board. You got it. That's all right. Direct your foot, it's very finessed, right? We're not like kicking with our heel because we're either kicking the board down or away from us.
Yeah.
We're letting the board rise and then we're just kind of like finessing the board over.
Show him a heel flip, Robbie.
Okay.
I mean, I would do it, but everybody knows I cannot heel flip.
Back foot's going to be positioned a little bit more on the inside part of the tail, opposite of my front foot. And my front foot's just above the middle, under the bolts, and just slight heel or toe hanging off. And then I'm directing into the pocket. I call it the pizza slice. You know, there's that kind of this triangle right here where I really want to direct my heel off of the board.
Yeah. See that motion?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got it. There you go.
It's actually really close.
That was really close.
So how does he speed that flick up?
So it's timing. So to increase the pop, I've noticed if you look at your back foot you watch your foot push the tail into the ground, you tend to get a better pop. And then your brain's gonna say like, flick now, flick, like, and it's almost like our brain's telling us to do the motion too fast.
Yeah.
So just wait a split second longer before you flick. Let that board absorb into your body.
All right.
Right here. Oh! The pop on that one was incredible. You just had to jump higher. Same motion.
Oh.
Wow, there
you
it
got
is.
it. Next try, next try.
Let's go, SF. All those SF kids got heel flips.
Oh, right here. Oh, over
Okay,
rotated.
do not do a double heel flip, okay?
Yeah.
That would be like me. He does like, you're trying kick flip, but you do a varial flip, but he does a double heel flip.
Yeah.
Oh,
There it is.
you're right there.
Oh.
Oh, bro.
Dude.
There you go. Wait until you see that grip tape come back around before you place your foot down. And then something else I noticed that helps is after you pop the board, try to keep your back foot flat. So as the board's rotating back around, the board's gonna stop flat. If your toes are pointed, the board's gonna stop primo.
Okay, so keep my
Yeah.
back foot straight when I'm landing.
You got it. Oh!
Dang.
You can also kind of slow yourself down a little bit so we're not just trying real fast, repetitively, because then we're gonna wear ourselves out. Try to visualize it, like picture it in your mind, like close your eyes, picture it. Imagine what it feels like when you land that first heel flip. Because those two things, symbiotically, when they work together, man, it's magic. Oh, so close.
And don't forget to believe in yourself. You got this.
That's all right. Do you feel like your front foot's maybe getting caught on
Yeah,
the grip tape?
definitely.
So that's something I think is really important is like, don't just keep doing the same thing if you're getting the result that you're not looking for, right? Make an adjustment, make a micro adjustment. So if you feel like your foot's getting caught, maybe take more of your foot off of the board or move your foot up more. So the further your foot is to the action point or that pizza slice, the faster that action's gonna happen. The further away it is, the more time your foot has to travel before it creates that action. So
Okay.
right now, I think the flip is maybe flipping a little slow, so maybe bringing your foot up a little bit and then releasing some of your foot to release some of the resistance you're getting with the grip tape.
Yeah. So like right here?
That looks good. Okay, but we're still kind of a lot of shoes resisting, right? So maybe take more of your toes off of the board.
All right. Oh! Oh my. Dude.
Let's go.
Oh
That
my.
was so good.
Well done. Wow. For your first heel flip ever, that was the best heel flip I've ever seen.
That
for a
was
first
better
heel
than
flip
my,
ever.
my heel flip that I gave him as an example
It
of a
was
heel
so
flip. Yeah.
good.
Dude, that was
Dude.
rad.
Dude,
Good
thank you,
job.
man.
Absolutely. No, thank
How does
you.
that feel?
Amazing.
Yeah, well done.
Oh! Oh my. Dude.
Let's go.
You have unlocked the heel flip. There needs to be like some special animation for people when they unlock a new trick, like like you just passed a new level.
That feels really good.
Do we dare say two to make it true?
No,
Two to
I
make
wasn't gonna say it, but if you said it,
I said
it's
it. All right,
happening.
two to make it true. Let's go. I want to remind people too, like once you land a trick once, give yourself some patience before you just expect yourself to have it every try forever.
Yeah.
Like nobody's perfect, right? So think about how many times it took you to land your first one.
Yeah.
It might take you at least half that many to get your second one. Luckily, you got Aaron and I here helping you, so it shouldn't
Yeah.
take that long.
And you can build consistency skating every day, right?
Absolutely.
Oh.
That's right. So I think you might be rushing yourself as far as like when you're popping and flicking. So bring your attention back to the pop, because if you miss the pop, none of the trick works.
I see.
That's the first part, most important. If that doesn't happen, nothing works.
Oh, yeah.
There it is.
You got it.
Oh.
Oh,
Wow. Actually, such a good heel flip flick. I'm envious of
It's
this.
really good, yeah. Do you feel like sometimes you're just missing the pop?
Yeah.
So that's really, I think, by looking at the foot, just got to remind yourself, look at the foot, watch the tail into the ground.
Okay. Ah.
That's all right. There you go. So I noticed on that one, your back foot was a little bit more in the center of the tail.
Yeah.
And then on the other ones, your back foot was like a little more in that dead zone, where when you're popping, you're just kind of not really getting a nice kind of centered pop. So maybe bringing the toe a little more to the center of the tail.
More to the center, like right here?
Yeah, right here. Let's see it. Oh! Then remember, once the board pops and starts to flip, keep that back foot flat. Oh, that was it. That one flipped good. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
You got it.
Something I noticed on that one is you're kind of like, rather than catching the board, like flicking it and catching it, you're kind of, I call it stabbing at the board, where you're almost like, right?
Yeah.
And that motion creates a separate motion, and an action's creating a separate reaction. So you're kind of like kicking the board away from you. So almost like pop the board, and as you're bending your knees, like gravity's gonna pull you down eventually, right? And it's gonna be pretty similar timing to when it's pulling the board down. Catch the board, don't stab your feet at it.
So just leave my feet in the air?
Just leave your feet in the air. You're gonna apply a little bit of pressure, but you don't have to totally stomp it down. There you go. And that finesse, or that kind of like calmness of your body where we're not forcing, really tends to help, especially on flat land. There you go.
You got it.
Those are popping really good. Oh, how long have you been trying heel flips for?
Like, I've never really tried at all.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Ah.
That's pretty good then, because I think it was like 10 tries and he got one.
You don't have to do another one if you don't want to.
That's
You want to try like 5 more?
Yeah, sure.
You got it.
Oh!
So good!
Take your time and don't rush yourself. You got this. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh.
wow.
Oh.
Whoa. Try to bring that front foot up a little bit more again. Okay, and then flick through the nose. Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Right here. Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you got it. One more, right
more?
here. Oh, you feeling tired?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, it's all good.
Dude, you got it. You killed it.
Dude, thank you, man.
Very well done. Thank you, Robbie.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, good job, man. That's pretty fast, actually. And it's surprising you said that you haven't ever really tried heel
Yeah, I've
flips
never really
before.
tried heel
You just
flips.
wanted to learn them right now.
Yep.
There you go.
You guys got this. You know what to do. Get out there and ride your skateboards.
Yeah. Good job.